just want it.
Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? See myself? Can you see myself?
What's up, Centy collectors? Welcome back to another video of the Suzuki Ritz right here. Yes, this time, as you guessed it, it's the specs of the Suzuki Ritz, and today we are gonna unbox this car and know all about it. So yeah, first, if you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button immediately and also press the bell icon if you want more of my video updates, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Don't worry, the car's links will be in the description for you guys to buy, but don't just go yet. Watch the video. I mean, that's what you're here for, right? So going on for the Ritz, first let's take a look at the box. It says pullback action. Sadly, this car does not have the door opening versions which the Swift has. I mean, it should have had that because it has a pretty good interior. Let me just show you that. And also, in the last time's video, I told that this car has a different name. That's actually the Suzuki Splash in many other countries, but in India it's called as the Ritz, and this is a front-wheel drive car. Sadly, this is actually the 2012 version of the Suzuki Ritz, so it's not that updated, but the updated versions really had very slight changes. For example, the fog lights were kind of in a good design, whereas this one looks like stock ones. So yeah, and one more thing, that this car is actually powered by a Fiat engine, a Fiat 1.3 liter multi-jet. Okay, that'll come in the specs part. So first, let's talk about the unboxing part and look at the box. So here we go. So the box is slightly beat up, but it's all in good condition. Like, the car is in good condition, thanks to that. Well, yeah, it says Ritz right here, and 30 years of excellence from Centy Toys, a quality product from Centy Toys again. So this is how it looks. You have the 1.3 liter rear badging, and at the back you have some different cars, not the Ritz in a different colors. You have the Swift, which is an old model Swift, which I'll get in the video, and the i10, which I reviewed, and also the Polo R. For more of these videos, you guys can check out my I button right here or check out my playlist too. So this is how the back looks, and that's pretty much the whole box. So why don't we go for the unboxing now? Alright, unboxed Ritz right here. First look, pretty damn good front end, but it has a little bit of gaps over the headlamp over here, which is, yeah, not so impressive. You have the Ritz RTZ 1.3 liter, yeah. And one disappointing part is its windshield, because it has, you know, that scuff marks from the plastic. Yeah, the plastic just rubbed it over and over and made those scuff marks, which I couldn't even remove. So that's quite a disappointment, because the attention to detail in the interior is pretty damn cool. As you guys can see, it has its shift knob right there with the steering wheel, and you also have that RPM gauge, which is actually there on the Ritz. That's pretty cool attention to detail, and you can't see it because the front windshield is scuffed. And I'm pretty sure that this doesn't come in the Ritz. Yeah, the sunroof is not provided in the Ritz, and that's a disappointment for the real owners. Well, looking at the side of the car, it's pretty damn nice. You have cool alloy wheels, which is similar to most other Centy toys. Maybe they have to change the design. Looking at the bottom, Ritz Scale Mall is written right here. You have the exhaust pipe, which goes all the way to the back, and yeah, that's pretty damn nice carve out for the exhaust over there. Throwing Ritz 1.3 at the back. You have these long Volvo-like tail lamps, which, yeah, it looks good, I guess. Well, that's pretty much it of this car. It's not that special like the Swift and the other cars, but it's on an average scale. Well, let's hear its pullback. Okay, pretty fast as it's a hatchback. Alright, now let's go for its info. The specs won't impress you much, but we still gotta make the video, guys. So yeah, anyways, going for the specs of the 2012 Suzuki Ritz right here. Starting off with engine. Yeah, I'm going for the most common engines which is used in India, and not the other ones which are extra over there. The first one is a 1.2 liter K12M inline 4-cylinder. That's a petrol engine, but if you guys want to save more on fuel, you guys can go for the diesel one, which is a 1.3 liter D13A, which is also used in the old Swift, and it's a turbo diesel inline 4-cylinder. Surprisingly, the turbo diesel makes less power than the petrol, so yeah, what's the point on the turbo? Anyways, going for the transmission, you have a 5-speed manual option, and you can go for a 4-speed automatic, and you also have a CVT for all those handicaps who cannot shift. It's actually left to you guys. Going for the horsepower of this car, the 1.3 liter diesel engine actually produces 74 horsepower, and the 1.2 liter K12M actually produces 86 horsepower. So that's the horsepower difference between those two engines, and I prefer the petrol one. Going for the acceleration time, it's somewhere between 13.87 seconds in the diesel one, and if you go for the petrol one, I guess it will be a bit less. Well, talking about the top speed, it's ranging from 163 to 172 kilometers per hour. So yeah, that much is okay. It's an average. And talking about the body style, of course, you guys know this. It's a 5-door hatchback, or were there any other models? Well, I don't think so. So yeah, guys, that's it on the info. Oh yeah, one more thing. One more disappointing part. This is only available in a front-wheel drive. Well, nobody expected much either. And well, the other one is it's powered by a Fiat 1.3 liter diesel engine, a multi-jet diesel engine. So that's what's Fiat in the Maruti Suzuki Ritz right there. And that's the end of the info, guys. Now, talking about its ratings. Well, I was willing to give it an 8.5 as I saw it in the box and it had a lot of details. But now, after its scuffed up windshield, I give it an 8 out of 10, guys, for quality. So yeah, that's the ratings. Comment your ratings down below. Let me check them out. And also, don't worry, the car's links will be in the description for you guys to buy. I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned for more. DCS out. And also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Bye-bye. See you then. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.